How's it going, Bitcoin family? It's Louis Crypto here. I'm back with another Bitcoin update. We're going to discuss this nasty wick rejection, how we are continuing to go up today. So before we get into the rest of the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. And please do enjoy today's update. Now, we can see that on the daily we rejected. So when we made yesterday's Bitcoin update, we were above and we were trying to invalidate this bearish cross from happening, or death cross actually. And so for that to happen, we need a slingshot motion above to form something called an EMA repel, where they just failed to cross over. So we need price to come up above and then this to fail to cross over. And I'm now going to turn on my drawings, but there's quite a lot on the chart. So we need the moving averages to continue like this, basically, not do something like that. Okay, we need them to continue up, and then that would form a slingshot motion to send us up to 29-30k. I'm going to scale down to the lower time frames now, because there were some trades that we did in the Discord community over on Quant, and we were seeing quite similar things on Bitcoin, VeChain, HBAR, and Casper. But we're going to further analyze those in the group call tonight, the group mentorship call tonight. I've just got a severe case of conjunctivitis. I called off Abby. Damn it, guys. I can't even see out one of my eyes, so I'm not going to be doing too many updates this week. I'm still going to try and get the main ones out, like your Bitcoin, Quant, HBAR, but I just won't be able to do as many videos. It's just really hurting my eye even right now. So what we saw on Quant, and I know this is a Bitcoin update, but what we were seeing on Quant is the same thing as what we saw on Bitcoin. We saw some bearish divergence when we're getting higher highs in the chart, but we're seeing momentum flattening out over here. It's dying down, where we can see this on the chart is our peak over here. It's not the peak that was, so we got lower highs followed by higher highs, bearish divergence, stop loss above the high over here, even if you're late. So you can see the dot appeared right over there. Even if you're late to it, just stop loss above that point, looking for key areas of supports that were previous resistance to be tested. So we can see this area was a previous resistance, this area over here as well. So this is exactly why we targeted this area. You can also see that it's also the Fibonacci golden pocket over here. So this is essentially where we're coming back down to key levels of support if we are to continue the trend that which is an uptrend. As we can see, this is the wave up. The golden pocket is down here because it's telling you where we should find support. Boom, we ran into the support, we found support, double bottom. So in this area, we're looking for whether it's bullish divergences, whether it's bullish patterns, or it's bullish candlesticks themselves. So here we got a double bottom over here, and then we've continued back up. So trying to continue with the trend that we were originally in, as this coming back down to the golden pocket over here, the trade that we took is against the trend. So because as we can see, we're measuring up, we're finding where we're coming down to before another wave up, and we're getting the beginning of that. And if we're going to see this follow through, and I can now actually get you some targets to the upside over here from measuring from the top to the golden pocket, we can see that we're creating a reversal wave by running all the way to the 1 fib and then coming back down, holding this golden pocket. So continue to hold above 27k, and then we should see price heading more towards 28k over the next day or so. This could happen today, could happen tomorrow. So as long as we maintain 27k today, then the price should continue to 28k. And if we go now back to the daily time frame, we can see that 28k over here, the 1618, 27,900 is roughly around this area, and this area over here. And if I just use this tool over here, it's going to show us where we can find some key resistance there, the volume profile over here. So we can see that there's a lot of resistance over here, and it's lining up very nicely with that 15-minute time frame target at the 1618 at $28,000, and this is sitting at exactly $28,000. So we know that we are quickly approaching a key level of resistance. So that could be a point of rejection before coming back down, hold these key levels of support, and then having another go at climbing up higher to more towards 30k, which is where I still expect there to be some resistance. And as of now, I'm still expecting this to hold as resistance. So a pump, maybe something like this into there, and then I don't know the path exactly afterwards, but what I'm looking for is something like this for us to continue lower to eventually come down to in and around this area. I've already made a Bitcoin update that about 20k, but we just think that we are coming up first to roughly 29-30k and then down to there. Might be wrong in that we go up to 28k, as that was that key level of resistance shown over here. and over here, as well as that other tool that I used over here showing you the volume profile. And then yeah, we can see that this is a key level of resistance over here, so you might just stop over there and continue down. This all remains to be seen, but as of right now, the immediate short-term analysis is hold 27k to go to 28k, and then we'll take the rest as it comes. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's update and found some value in this nice little trade over here on Bitcoin. I will now make a video update on Quant and HBAR, so don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on this and those videos. So yeah, just again hold this level 27k, and then we should head up to 28k, and that will be a brick wall, let's say, where we could be expecting a larger dump back down into these areas, and then one more go at 29-30k. You can of course just do this as well. So I will be here tomorrow, don't you worry. It'll be a shorter update because today we're talking about this trade on top of that. But yeah, I hope you guys found some value today. If you want me to help you basically trade this on your own with some confidence, become a self-sufficient trader, take action on my course or mentorship plan, private message me. I will do a discount for anyone that private messages me over the next week or so. So yeah, if you want a discount, private message me. I'll also give you 3 months free in the Discord community if you take action on the mentorship or course. You can just join anyway, guys. We're going to be doing a group call tonight, maybe an hour, 2 hours long, at about 9 p.m. UK time. So we will be doing 2 of those a week going forward. So today and maybe Thursday again, if any of you do want to join in, we're going to be analyzing all of these trades on that we saw on Bitcoin, Quant over here, HBAR, VeChain as well. So we'll be analyzing all of these today, and then making a strategy so that you can go and implement this yourself. Yeah, so before we end off, I can even bring you to the Discord community over here, and here we had a question from Jake himself saying engulfing candle on Quant, and I think at the time on the daily over here it looked like an engulfing candle. I think it still did close as one, but we could see that we were approaching this previous support as resistance. So we were just talking about this quite early in the day, and I did manage to get a Quant video out where I was able to call this as well. And we can see also, yeah, at the golden pocket as resistance. So it's from here that we actually call this trade in the Discord community. So yeah, we're seeing the bear, I wrote over here, seeing bearish divergence on the 15 and 30 minute and rejecting the golden pocket, and we're getting these bearish candlestick patterns up there as well. Can you see over here? So this was pretty much the clues that we needed. If you're not able if you want to learn this for yourself, then you know what to do. Hit those links in the description down below, and we can see in the end that the target was actually met. So we're going to review all of these. We're going to build that strategy for those students of mine in the chat over here. And yeah, anyone is free to join. You don't need to just be a student. But again, yeah, I would always suggest learning it. And then yeah, if you just want to join the Discord community anyway, you will be accessing two weekly group calls in there, as well as all the investments that we're looking at for the upcoming bull market. So yeah, that's it for today's update. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.